working a full-time shift, caring for others, then coming home to cook dinner for my family. This has been my life for many years as a nurse and a mom. And honestly, I wouldn't trade the experience for anything. Nursing taught me compassion, patience, resilience, and how important it is to take care of people with kindness. Then I come home, step into the kitchen, and prepare this delicious meal some rice and some fricasseed chicken, and continue caring for the people I love. For me, cooking has always been more than just making food. Cooking is love, it's comfort, it's culture, connection, and creating memories around the table. As a Jamaican woman living in Canada, these meals keep me connected to home no matter how busy life gets. So today, on Nurses Day, I'm celebrating every nurse out there, balancing work, family, caregiving, and life while still showing up with heart every single day. Happy Nurses Day to us. And by the way, would you enjoy a plate of this fricasseed chicken right here? Because can you believe it or not, I came home and I whip up this dinner. One thing about me, I'm gonna work taking care of others in the day, and then I'm gonna come home and cook up a quick dinner in about an hour to serve my family. Thanks for watching. Happy Nurses Day to my nurses. Bye.